We're going to start off by grabbing our source files. So we're going to go to this PC, go to StuShare, go to PAAVC, and we're going to open up Video 2 footage. I'm going to copy this folder. I'm going to go to Google Drive file stream, My Drive, Video, and I'm going to paste this folder. And we just wait while it copies over. Once that finishes, we'll switch over to Adobe Premiere and we'll start a new project. We call this text video. Make sure your location is still your Google Drive, My Drive video folder. If it's not, click Browse, go up to Google Drive file stream, My Drive, Video, and hit Select Folder. Everything else can stay the same, so you hit OK. Once it finishes loading, I'm going to assume we're in the editing workspace. If your editing does not look like this, you can click on the three bars and do reset to save layout, and it should look just like this. I'm going to double click to import my media. I'm going to select my Video 2 footage folder and do import folder. There's some graphics on this, and you're going to hit OK to merge the layers. Assuming that you're on icon view down at the bottom, you can double click on our video folder and then our video footage folder and see all of our videos. If you hover your mouse over it, you can go left and right to get a preview of what that video looks like. You'll see a small playhead in black down at the bottom of the thumbnail. You can use this to see which video clips you would like to import. Once you double click one, it will be added to source. Remember to set your starting point, then your ending point, and you'll notice as we scrub through here there is no audio, so make sure you grab video only. That is the small film icon beneath the picture of the video. So grab that icon and drag it to your timeline, and that video clip will be added. I'm going to shrink my bar here so it makes the view here larger. I'm going to start with a cross dissolve in, then I'll add in my second image. Once you have your 5 clips, let's go ahead and add in a default transition for each. And we'll put an outro transition at the end as well. If you'd like to change the type of transition, you can go to the Effects workspace, and then go to Video Transitions, and choose which one you'd like to use instead. For example, if I wanted the cube spin, I could drag that over a cross dissolve. Then I'd have that effect instead of the cross dissolve for that section. Once the transitions are done, I'm going to go to Graphics. And in Graphics, there will be different text effects that you can add. You can do the same preview on these thumbnails, so you can start at the left edge and scroll across to see a preview. When you find one that you like, just drag it over on top of the video. If it says there are fonts missing, just hit OK, and then OK again. Then when you click on the actual text, you can set your font here. I'm going to move it so that graphic starts right after the cross dissolve. Go back to Browse to add another text piece on the next clip. And just continue adding effects until you have one for each clip. Once you have all of those effects added in, you switch back to editing. Assuming you are still in the bin with the video footage, you can go up one folder and you should see the audio. So we'll take this stock audio from Adobe, find a starting point that you want. My clip is less than 26 seconds long, so get a piece roughly that length. There's no video in this, so we're going to do audio only for this piece. I'm going to drop that in at the beginning. We'll see that that goes right just about to the end, so I'm going to make those line up. Add a default transition, which for audio is constant power. And I will do the same thing here, default transition, constant power, which will have the audio fade in at the beginning and fade out at the end. So once I'm finished, this is approximately what I have.